Good morning and welcome back to our channel. So karong buntaga diri gyapon mi sa Byron Bay, New South Wales, and nahihiya ang aking sister. But then we're going to start again our new vlog for today. So iikot kami sa Byron Bay. So Byron Bay is in New South Wales. Siguro mga around 5-hour, 6-hour drive siya from Sydney. And then meron ditong lighthouse as well as I think makakaligo kami dito sa surf spot nila.
Yung pinaliguan daw ni Chris.
Pupunta kami doon sa pinaliguan ni Chris Hemsworth. So baka mahaluan pa ako doon ng mahawaan rather. Baka mahawaan ako ng kapugian nun ni Brother Thor. So, tingnan natin kung ano ang beach nila dito. Siyempre, more or less comparison din ng beach doon sa Surfer's Paradise. Kasi yun talaga yung very well known. Pero medyo sikat din actually itong Byron Bay.
Yeah.
Sa surf and mga ganong activities. Board activities. So, yeah, let's check it out. Mahaba-habang araw to. So, samahan niyo ulit kami. So, let's go and hit the road. See you later!
And we are near na 3 minutes to go on our way to Lighthouse, fam.
Byron Lighthouse.
Byron Lighthouse.
Yan, so daming naglalakad, hinahike.
Yeah.
Hinahike nila yung papunta at pabalik.
Yep.
Yan natin ako. Oh, ganda oh, astigo, no? Yan sila boardwalk.
Meron talaga silang proper boardwalk. Yeah. Ang ganda ng overview dun, no? It's nice.
Pabalik. Yeah, tsaka excited kami fam kasi parang ano na to, free and easy na kami. Tapos
Wala
na
nang
ang
pressure.
main event namin which is yung wedding ni brother.
It was
natapos na
beautiful.
namin yun. We're all good and pasyal galore na kami.
Yeah. So we'll show you kung anong makikita sa lighthouse. No dogs. Ayan po, paakyat na kami ng aming lighthouse tour
Dito sa Byron Bay.
sa Byron Bay.
Yeah. Na makita ko si Thor. I really want to see Thor. Yo, yeah, even
Wanna see Thor, kuya?
Even with Dave, I want to see Thor.
Yeah. Ayo.
4.2 hectares development.
Here.
Yeah.
Use of the Pacific Oceans with sea.
There you go. Dito daw, entry.
Ayun.
Yeah. There. Ito daw, katabi niya. Here. Woo! We're here!
So we're here. Andito na kami sa taas. Andun pa actually yung lighthouse. Pero papakita ko na rin to kasi sobrang ganda ng beach dito. As in, wow! Kitang-kita mo yung golden sand, oh. And the Pacific Ocean is there. Ayan. Kaya pala ang daming tumatakbo dito. And nagra-run talaga. Kasi ang ganda ng view. Ayan. So there you go. So sana makita natin si dito, si Chris. Si paring Chris. Here you go. So nandito na kami. And andiyan nga pala ang lighthouse. Napakaganda. Alright. So look at that view. Yan. And then diretso nga pala siya sa cliff. So medyo delikado talaga. Tahulog ka dyan. Pero super safe naman sa mga bata at sa family. Kasi parang may railing talaga siyang proper dito. And kabilang view naman. Ayan. So akyatin lang natin sila dun sa lighthouse. Go. So free and easy na actually kami. Yan. So ito na yung matatawag nating pasyal mood na kami. Kasi wala na kaming hinahabol na iba. Yeah, okay. Alright, ayan oh. So akyatan galore lang. And then yan na yung lighthouse. There you go. Yeah, quick pan. Ganda dito. Quick pan. Ano kaganda ang Byron Bay, New South Wales, Australia. Dito na tayo sa lighthouse again. Nasa Byron Bay Lighthouse tayo. And meron actually a museum inside. And I'll let you see the pan, the complete pan 360 view of Byron Bay. Wow. Sobrang ganda. It's magical. Then this lighthouse pala, may nakalagay dito 1901, so most probably this was built 1901. Laki niya, para siyang museum kalaki building talaga. And then yan si Mommy. Oh. Yan si Mommy. And so papasok naman ako. Kakagaling lang nila sa loob ng museum, so ako naman nagpapasok. Right. Let's see. Lighthouse tour, Cape Byron. Ayan, so they're showing also yung tools na gamit ng isang light keeper. Super cool.
This is for the first. They want
Ayan. A quick pan of one of the museum room. So lighthouse keeping, a partnership. Yeah. And it looks like that. It was a partnership. And ang cool kasi meron silang mga gadgets dito which you could actually hear. So my lightning strike, my whale. How about the whale, ate? How about the whale? Whale? Yeah. Okay. It's super cool. It's a sound station. And then, so from the lighthouse, bababa na tayo sa Easterly Park. Meron ding view dito, actually. Yeah. Woohoo! Hi!
You gonna stay with grandma?
Come here. I'll hold you.
Oh, come on.
Yan.
Let's go na. Come on, you come here. Bro, mauuna na may.
Easterly Park to na dito. No, we need to wait here.
100 meters ha, pababa.
Yeah, it's okay. Tapos iniwan lang yung mga ano doon, stroller. Yan, fam. So, lakad na kami. Oops, be careful. Yan, so si Kuya Davon ang kasama ko. Mag-explore dito sa Easterly Park. They call it Easterly Park.
Don't go into that
Yeah,
forest.
correct. Kasi bangin. Sabi ni Kuya Davon, don't go into that forest daw kasi bangin. Okay, so yan. Walking lang kami ng kuya. And pagdating doon, fam, papakita ko sa inyo doon. Yan, fam. So, narating din natin ang most easterly part of Australia. And it points here to the east. So, basically, lahat ng yan papuntang Pacific Ocean. Yan. And that could be like New Zealand on that way. So, quick pan tayo. Then, of course, may mga view din dito. Labas. So, ang ganda dito talaga. Ayan, meron din boardwalk na nandun. Let's zoom in for a bit. Let's just try to get it. Yan. Yan, may boardwalk din. Pero I don't think makakapunta pa kami doon. Kasi medyo malayo na siya for the kids. Hey fam! And another achievement for Alba Fam Bam. So we were able to reach the most easterly point of Australia. Mainland? Okay, so ito yung pinaka-east ng Australia talaga. So basically, ayan siya, Pacific Ocean na yan siya. Tuloy. Yan, so balik na tayo. Akyat na ulit. And yeah, let's enjoy the view again. Pinaka-east again ng Australia. Nasa tip kami ng kontinente ng Australia. And so boardwalk here. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so see you later. Lakad lang muna. Baka mahulog ang mga anak ko. See ya. Yan, so dito ako ngayon sa isang spot. Most easterly side pa rin ng Australia. Pero gusto ko lang sa inyo ipakita, fam. So, syempre, since sinamahan nyo na ako. Let's go! Ganda talaga. Ganda. And then, biglang may boom! Lighthouse. Okay. So again, nasa Byron Bay, New South Wales, Australia kami ngayon. And we're just, in a sense, pasyal-pasyal. Kasi ito na yung time na pwede kaming mag-free and easy na pasyal. Walang hinahabol. And so, taga dito, si Chris Hemsworth. Kung hindi nyo alam, yung sa Avengers, siya si Thor. So, kung hindi man natin makita ay okay lang. So Chris, ang ganda ng lugar nyo dito. It's very good. Again, dito ako ngayon sa taas na, sa banda ng lighthouse. And bye-bye. The most easterly side of Australia and the continent. Pacific Ocean na yan. Tuloy-tuloy hanggang South America. There you go, fam. Pakita ko sa inyo, fam. Ang Byron Bay. Buong Byron Bay na yan. And that's the Pacific Ocean, right, ate? It's all Pacific Ocean. Yeah.
Oh, and there's a tiny island.
And yan yung lighthouse.
There's a tiny island.
Ayun, so we're done with the Byron Lighthouse. So paalis na kami ngayon. Siguro maghahanap muna kami ng food around Byron Bay.
Yep.
So dito na namin tatapusin ang vlog na to. And we'll see you next sa aming beach escapade. Syempre dito pa rin sa Byron Bay. I
Yeah.
think ang pangalan ng beach ay Double Head Beach or Broken Head Beach.
Yeah.
Alright, so maliligo kami since nandito na tayo sa Australia. Ligo-ligo time, dagat-dagat time lagi. Alright, so sana nag-enjoy kayo dun sa video namin sa Lighthouse. O diba, nakasama din kayo sa most easterly part of Australia.
Yes.
And the continent. And the next nun, Pacific Ocean na, south nun, New Zealand na. Yan, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks again for viewing. Keep on. No, not yet. So samahan nyo kami. Mga ilang days pa kami dito sa Australia.
Yay.
And yes, that's all. And
See you on the next
see you on the next video.
Hang loose.
Hang loose.